Hey there, Lisa Renee here. I have something for you today that I'm pretty excited about to get on board with. Before we get into that, if you have not already, please hit that subscribe button below, and if you hit the notification bell, you'll be notified anytime I have a video come out. As well, if you find my information valuable, please give me a thumbs up. That's always appreciated. So, on with it. So, I've said many times that I don't promote anything that I don't use or that I have not reviewed or that I don't feel good about. Now, I've quit several affiliate marketing programs because they were not a right fit for me. The first one I actually did a video about is Savings Highway Global, and that one is actually a multi-level marketing company. But I don't feel good about it because I don't believe in it. I believe that what they're doing is great, but the fact is you're paying a monthly fee for something you can do all by yourself. So Savings Highway Global is like a clearinghouse for savings, for things you use every day, like saving on your car insurance, your home insurance, your energy insurance, like being able to get coupons for groceries, getting discounts at restaurants, discounts at hotels and travel. But you know what? You can do that all by yourself. There's this thing called Google. And if you're not familiar with it, there's other search engines out there where you can search and get the best deals. However, there's also loyalty programs. If you're familiar with like your grocery store and Food Line has an MVP card. Publix doesn't have any card per se, but if you are on their website and you get their savings, they actually have digital coupons that you can put attached to your phone number, as well as travel. If you are a member of, say, the IHG group, International Hotel Group, that's like your Holiday Inn Express and things like that. You get loyalties. If you have credit cards that you can get points on, you can use those points for discounts. Insurance. I actually did the insurance through Savings Highway Global to show that it can be done through them. However, it is no different than you taking your little phone out, calling up your insurance company and saying, hey, are you going to be able to give me a lower rate, or do I need to switch companies? And then you can also go out there and look at the different companies on Google, that thing, and you'll come up with comparisons between companies, and you pick the lowest. You don't have to pay a monthly fee. It's between $20 and $100. It is either $20 or $100, and now they have an even higher scale that they're offering other things. But I didn't feel good about it. As well as I tried affiliate marketing with multiple income funnel, and it just wasn't a fit for me. I have joined other companies, and none of them were a fit for me. So I only promote, it's usually physical products, but this new thing that I am into now is iHub Global. It's a people's network. If you want to own a piece of the people's network with the newest cryptocurrency, I'm not sure if it's the newest, but a newer cryptocurrency called Helium, iHub is your vehicle. You can, let's see if I can get this here. Bear with me one moment. Now I can't get back to my screen. Okay, just one moment. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going to play for you. It's 3 minute and 17 second video talking about iHub. So here we go. I hope you can hear it okay.
Headlined by disruptive technologies that are rapidly transforming the world. Terms like blockchain, cryptocurrency mining, and digital transformation dominate the financial and technology news. But so do less pleasant things like COVID, tariffs, supply chain crisis, the rising cost of fuel, travel, unemployment, and social unrest. There's no denying the world is a vastly different place than it was just a couple of years ago. But innovation and crisis often spur disruption and unique opportunity. We see it with the exponential growth of the Internet of Things, the connecting of everyday devices. Items like automobiles, health monitoring devices, package tracking, scooters, even simple security devices. IoT data access from traditional providers, like the cell phone companies, is just too expensive. And that's where we come in, and where you can too. With iHub Global, you have the opportunity to be a part of that solution where you live. A small device in your home or business can make you a part of this new distributed infrastructure. While people and things use our grid, our iHub hotspots enable you to become a provider for this new decentralized network. You'll get your own crypto wallet when you plug our device in. There's no catch. We need you to help us build a network that will positively change the entire world. We all know that businesses, education, and even healthcare are being forced by safety protocols, convenience, and even new laws to an online model. Many people think we'll return to normal in a year or so. We don't agree. When the world settles into new ways of doing things, the infrastructure must and will change with it. An equally disruptive technology is needed. In our decentralized infrastructure, iHub Global is part of the people's network and is positioned to be the right solution at the right time for this digital transformation. The network is the architecture for the Internet of Things, but it's also solving problems that real people face. Through our iHub Marketplace, we're introducing telehealth, a timely solution for healthcare, including mental health, that aligns with the direction many healthcare practices already mandate. Using our IoT technology, we can offer cutting-edge healthcare solutions. We're also launching a cost-effective way for people to travel, as well as financial services. And we're just getting started. But we need people who get it. People who want to be a part of initiating a positive revolution. People who see the opportunity. Most of us are sick and tired of living in a model pioneered in the 1950s. And so, one of our missions is helping folks to fully embrace the desire for more balanced lives by enabling them to be a part of the connective tissue of this new world paradigm shift. In our model, there is no replacement for you. No cell towers, server farms, or social networks. Plug in to the iHub community, a people's network for the real world, and position yourself at the hub of a global digital transformation.
Okay, so that was a general overview. Basically what has happened, and I got a unit that you put in your home, and it basically feeds off of my internet. And it has an antenna, and I actually need to put up the external antenna on top of my house so I can have a wider range in my location. So this is my location, and there's it's a piece of a grid. Now, I'm what they consider a lone wolf because I'm more rural. There are about 5 other hubs within the range of me, so I can connect to them and we feed off of each other. But that way, what we're actually having when you start with one of these units is you are the people's network, you are allowing for a internet connection for someone who doesn't have internet, and they can feed off of you. So there are other things that are involved. It also has there are features of TV and television, they kind of mentioned that there. I'm not in on all of that at this point, but I am an affiliate for iHub. And if you are at all interested in making some passive income with cryptocurrency and mining the cryptocurrency, I strongly urge you to go to the link below and check it out. And if you'll sign up with that link, I would appreciate it. And there are also, where are we? They describe it as the world's first peer-to-peer wireless network that provides a secure and cost-effective way for low-power Internet of Things devices to send data to and from the Internet. Was there something else I wanted to... Nope, that was about it. So basically, we are able to serve the needs of other people. And once the grid is complete, then the whole world is connected and we are part of that people's network. So I'm very bad at describing things like this, so I urge you to go check it out for yourself. Just go to the link below, see what's going on. Let's see. Yeah, that's all I've got here. But they're going to be the ones, the company itself is actually going to be able to give you better description of this, but it is definitely passive income. Now, if you are located near a busy city, like I'm in the middle of Tennessee, pretty rural, if in the middle of Nashville or Chattanooga. Now, if you are located within Nashville or Chattanooga and your location is open, you're gonna mine faster and more crypto is going to be mined. Looking at maybe $100 a month at this point. Mine is not completely set up yet, but it will be once I get that antenna on my roof and be ready to go. So I don't have any income suggestions of how it would go at this point, but I really do believe in this at this point. As with anything that I get into, I usually have a strong belief in the beginning, but if something's not right, then I will bring that to your attention. And the same goes for this iHub. So, folks, you know, there's a lot of things out there where you can make passive income, but just beware. If I've tried them, I'm going to let you know about it. And if they work for me, I'm definitely going to push it. Also, you know, different products. I enjoy using many products that I promote that I do make a little bit of money on. So just keep that in mind and do your own research, thorough research. But if you have any questions, my email is below. You can leave a comment. I also have my phone number below if you want to send me a text. Do not take any phone calls unless you're on one of my teams, but you can surely text me. Just let me know if you're a part of this and if you have a different opinion of how this is going, since I am so brand new at it, and I will definitely keep you all posted. But like I said, go to my link below, check it out. If you decide you want to sign up, please use my link. I would appreciate it. All right, that's it for now. Helium and iHub Global. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.